10 top gears and tools available on Amazon. Are you ready to transform the way you work with cutting-edge tools and innovative gear? The world of gadgets and tools is evolving rapidly, and Amazon has become the ultimate hub for finding the most brilliant solutions for professionals and DIY enthusiasts alike. Whether you're tackling home improvement projects, streamlining work tasks, or simply adding some clever tools to your arsenal, these top picks redefine efficiency, convenience, and creativity. From heavy-duty hammers to precision-cutting tools, these must-have gears make every project smoother, faster, and more enjoyable. Each one is designed to solve specific problems, enhance productivity, and leave you wondering how you ever managed without them. Rapid Hammer Tacker. The Rapid Hammer Tacker is a game-changer for professionals and hobbyists alike. This tool combines the speed of a stapler with the strength of a hammer, making it perfect for jobs like roofing, carpeting, or securing insulation. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, allowing you to work for extended periods without straining your hands. Its lightweight yet durable construction makes it easy to maneuver, even in tight spaces. But the magic of the Rapid Hammer Tacker lies in its efficiency. Instead of fumbling with traditional staples, this tool delivers precision and speed, allowing you to secure materials in seconds. Whether you're a contractor on a deadline or a DIY enthusiast working on home projects, this tool ensures flawless results every time. Craig Foreman Pocket. The Craig Foreman Pocket takes the hassle out of creating pocket hole joints, making it a favorite among woodworkers and furniture makers. This powerful tool allows you to drill precise pocket holes quickly and effortlessly, ensuring sturdy joints that last. Its adjustable settings accommodate different materials and thicknesses, giving you complete control over your projects. What sets the Craig Foreman apart is its combination of power and simplicity. The intuitive design ensures that even beginners can achieve professional quality results. Plus, its compact size makes it ideal for workshops of any size. Whether you're building cabinets, shelves, or furniture, this tool guarantees strong connections and a polished finish. If precision and reliability are your priorities, the Craig Foreman Pocket is your ultimate solution. Stripping Machine. Struggling with tedious wire stripping tasks? The stripping machine is here to save the day. Designed for electricians and hobbyists, this machine strips wires with incredible speed and accuracy. Its adjustable settings cater to a wide range of wire sizes, ensuring you can handle any project with ease. The durable construction means it's built to withstand heavy use, making it a reliable companion for both professional and personal use. The real beauty of the stripping machine is its efficiency. Instead of wasting time with manual tools, this machine automates the process, allowing you to focus on what matters most, getting the job done. Whether you're rewiring a home or crafting intricate electrical projects, this tool ensures consistent, clean results every time. Tajima Chalk Line. Precision marking has never been easier than with the Tajima Chalk Line. This tool is perfect for professionals and DIY enthusiasts who need accurate, straight lines for cutting, drilling, or construction. Its high-quality construction ensures durability, while the ultra-fine line leaves minimal residue, making it ideal for a variety of surfaces. What makes the Tajima Chalk Line stand out is its ease of use. The ergonomic design and smooth operation mean you can create perfect lines in seconds. Whether you're working on woodworking projects, laying tiles, or framing walls, this tool guarantees accuracy and efficiency. It's an indispensable addition to any toolkit, delivering professional results every time. Knex Pix. The Knex Pix is a compact and versatile cutting tool designed to tackle the toughest materials. Whether you're dealing with pipes, cables, or plastic tubing, this tool provides clean, precise cuts every time. Its ergonomic handle ensures a comfortable grip, while the sharp blade makes quick work of even the most stubborn materials. What sets the Knex Pix apart is its durability and reliability. Built with high-quality materials, it's designed to withstand heavy use without losing its edge. The compact size makes it easy to carry and store, ensuring you always have the right tool for the job. For professionals and DIYers who demand precision and performance, the Knex Pix is a must-have. King Combo. The King Combo ladder is the ultimate multitasking tool for professionals and homeowners alike. This innovative ladder offers 3 configurations: extension, step, and leaning ladder, allowing you to tackle a variety of tasks with ease. Its lightweight design and sturdy construction make it easy to transport and use, while the slip-resistant feet ensure safety on any surface. What makes the King Combo truly exceptional is its versatility. Whether you're painting walls, cleaning gutters, or changing light bulbs, this ladder adapts to your needs, providing stability and convenience. Its compact design means it's easy to store, while the robust build ensures long-lasting performance. Go Tools Plier-based Modular Multi-Tool Set. The Go Tools Plier-based Modular Multi-Tool Set is a powerhouse of functionality packed into a compact design. Featuring interchangeable heads, this multi-tool can be customized to suit your needs, whether you're cutting wires, tightening bolts, or opening bottles. The durable construction ensures it can handle tough jobs, while the ergonomic design makes it comfortable to use. The brilliance of this multi-tool lies in its adaptability. Instead of carrying multiple tools, you can rely on this single gadget to tackle a wide range of tasks. Whether you're on a camping trip, fixing appliances, or working in the garage, the Go Tools multi-tool ensures you're always prepared. It's a versatile and practical addition to any toolkit, offering convenience and efficiency in one sleek package. Ryobi Door Hinge. Installing or replacing door hinges has never been easier than with the Ryobi Door Hinge tool. This innovative gadget simplifies the process by providing precise measurements and cuts, ensuring a perfect fit every time. The durable construction and easy-to-use design make it a favorite among professionals and dyers alike. What makes the Ryobi Door Hinge tool stand out is its ability to save time and effort. Instead of struggling with traditional methods, this tool streamlines the process, allowing you to complete projects quickly and efficiently. Alpa SK16. The Alpa SK16 is a cutting-edge safety knife designed for precision and security. Featuring a self-retracting blade, this tool minimizes the risk of accidents while providing clean, accurate cuts. The ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, making it ideal for extended use. The Alpa SK16 isn't just about safety, it's about performance. Whether you're cutting cardboard, plastic, or fabric, this knife delivers flawless results every time. Its durable construction ensures long-lasting reliability, while the compact size makes it easy to carry and store. For anyone who values safety and efficiency, the Alpa SK16 is a must-have tool. Ley Auto Hammer. The Ley Auto Hammer takes the effort out of nailing, providing powerful automatic hammering with the press of a button. This innovative tool is perfect for professionals and dyers who want to save time and energy on their projects. The compact design and lightweight construction make it easy to use, while the powerful motor ensures precise, consistent results. What makes the Ley Auto Hammer truly special is its ability to handle tough jobs with ease. Whether you're building furniture, installing fixtures, or working on construction projects, this tool delivers flawless performance every time. So guys, let me know your thoughts in the comments section below. For more interesting content, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more awesome content. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the next video.